America, as a superpower, you are so strong militarily. If the CCP wanted to knock you out and relying on kinetic warfare, they absolutely will lose. So
Right.
they have been studying your system, your vulnerability, your strengths for quite a long time. So they then derived at what they called a symmetric warfare or unrestricted warfare to knock you out. So those 5 and 6 Bs, if I would have to speculate, what are they? They are the axis of evil nations that including CCP, North Korea, Russia, and Iran. And the fifth one might just be the traitors within your system, the American traitors. And then if you're
Right.
looking at the 100 Bs, what are they? They are the one belt, one road nations that the CCP has set the debt trap basically to coerce them. These are the 150 plus nations in Africa. These are color skinned people that CCP has using communist propaganda teach them to hate the West and to hate the white population using the racial conflict. So they say the CCP has been telling them for decades, all your issue was causing by the greedy capitalism and imperialism, and that's why your enemy is the West, your enemy is the white people. But in reality, they are in a debt trap, trapped by the CCP. So CCP using those nations to attack US at the same time. But another level of those Bs imply to the asymmetric warfare tactics. For example, they're not going to use the traditional weapons. For example, hacking is not traditional. The remote towing technology is one of the weapons they rely on. And they also rely on hacking and malware, hardware and software to get into your system and doing reconnaissance work, which has been reported by your intelligence
Yeah.
department that the CCP hacker, bad actor has been staying in your system. And then spy balloon, bioweapons, and chemical weapons, and a combination of those together. So Miles Guo warned that United States has to be prepared when a day you will see lots of balloon coming together. Just imagine if tens of thousands balloon coming and some of them has the bioweapon or chemical weapon attached to them, and your missile to shoot down the weapon is going to cost you $1 million. So how many missiles do you have? How do you prepare to win that kind of asymmetric warfare or unrestricted warfare? At the same time, they're creating chaos in your society. They basically designate, as I said, your economic super bomb in your system. And meantime, they
Right.
have a foot soldier on your ground, set up fire, arson, and attack people and creating chaos. So how America is going to plan to win this war against the CCP? Because Miles Guo has been whistleblowing for 7 years.